Good afternoon, ladies and gents. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. You read that right, saw that right. If that's what I decided to name this video, it is moving day. And behind me, connected to the truck, is a trailer. And I am on my way to a certain somebody's house to go grab my toolbox. And I'm just gonna take it to work. I am taking it to work to get it out of their house, and I'm going to take it to my work so I have some extra spare tools just in case I need something different. So it's moving day. No, I didn't lose my job or anything like that, but just some unforeseen circumstances. So let's go move a toolbox. Just stopping, checking my strappy doodahs. This is my Husky box that has a lot of my Ford stuff in it. I'm at a gas station right now that hasn't even been opened yet. I just wanted to stop. So yeah, my brake is set on that one. It's set on that one over there too. But so yeah, moving the box, moving it to work. So I have all my Ford specialty stuff in it. Just wanted to stop, make sure my straps were good, and we're gonna take it over to work, unload it in there, and I'm gonna put it over there in one of the corners where all the other toolboxes are. So I got my Ford specialty stuff, so I don't have to keep going and buying things or use the company budget to buy anything. So let's move along and we'll go get it unloaded. We're just gonna leave it right there till tomorrow. trailer's put. Yeah, I could go back a little further with it. All right. Box is inside. I'll deal with it tomorrow morning. That's what's going on. I just moved it from somebody's house to work to get it off of their property, and so I could have my specialty tools at work. So I appreciate it. Nothing's wrong. Just moving from one place to another. Some more tools that I needed out of my personal belongings. So I love you guys. See you on the next one.